Why does Saturn have rings? Saturn is one of the most amazing planets in our solar system. And when people look at Saturn, the first thing they notice is its rings. But why does Saturn have rings? That's a great question. First, Saturn is not the only planet with rings. Some other planets have rings too. But Saturn's rings are the biggest, brightest, and easiest to see. That's why Saturn looks so special. Now here's the really cool part, Saturn's rings are not one solid circle. They are made of billions of tiny pieces of ice and rock. Some pieces are very small, like dust, and some are much bigger. Most of the rings are made of ice, which is why they look so bright and shiny. From far away, the rings look smooth and flat. But if you could go closer, you would see lots and lots of icy pieces moving around Saturn together. So where did those rings come from? Scientists are still studying that. But one big idea is that long ago, a moon, comet, or asteroid came too close to Saturn and broke apart. Then all the broken pieces spread out and began circling the planet. That may be how the rings formed. And here's something surprising, Saturn's rings are very wide, but also very thin. They stretch a huge distance around the planet. But compared to how wide they are actually quite thin. Saturn's moons also help shape the rings. Their gravity can pull on the ring pieces and create gaps and patterns. So the rings are not just sitting still, they are always moving. So when someone asks, why does Saturn have rings? You can say, Saturn has rings because billions of icy and rocky pieces are circling around it. And scientists think those pieces may have come from a moon, comet, or asteroid that broke apart long ago. That is what makes Saturn look so magical. Its rings are not decorations. They are a giant system of ice and rock spinning around one of the most beautiful planets in space. See you next time, it's always why time.